Last week in my analysis, I had told you till the time US30 sustains above 32,000, I will not consider this as bearish. It closed at 32,360 levels the previous week, and now it has seen the lows at 32,150. Looking at this, it has seen a stronger reversal achieved close to 34,000 levels. Now, if you see this candles, you will find 34,000. The lower highs are consistently getting created, and this is an expanding triangle here where the bearishness is still there. So we will try to find out with the help of charts and indicators what could be expected next week, how we can make profit, which position we should take in order to profit. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits, as you will be also missing the daily analysis which I share once with the Asia session, next with the US session. Daily twice I update for Dow Jones. Do watch those analysis. Definitely it will help you in your day trading decisions. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. And as I said, yes, do watch till the end also. Towards the end of this analysis, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Now look at the charts here, 34,300 and then a sharp reversal. Here also it appeared to be bullish and then the sharp reversal occurred. Now see this 34,100 levels. Here too it has got a stronger resistance and the US30 pulled back on the downside. At the same time, look at these candles. Multiple candles tried to breach 34,000 multiple times, and once it breached, it was a stronger drop on the downside. Now 34,000 definitely a critical level, critical psychological level, and yes, this is also the level which has given a good stronger resistance in past. So I'll wait for it to sustain this zone at 34,000 to 35,000. Yes, only if US30 sustains above this box, that is 34,000 to 35,000, you can confirm that markets are turning out to be bullish in the near term, in the near long term rather I will say, and it may continue to achieve higher highs. But till the time it sustains, it fails to sustain below 34,000, 35,000 zone, probably there is a possibility that it can reverse again on the downside. Now let's have a further detail. See, if you connect the dots from the past, you will find US30 is trading this in an expanding triangle, and you can find out this is precisely the highs of this channel. So that is why it also confirms that sustaining above 34,000, 35,000 zone, you can confirm that it is reversed, it is breaking out of the zone, and we can see it trading bullish. And there is a possibility, there is a strong possibility that this could be considered as the high for Dow Jones. There is a possibility for it to reverse from here, maybe 500, 600,000 points also. Additionally from here, that is 34,500, 700, 35,000, any point of time till those levels, it can reverse any point of time, and hence we need to be cautious here. This is still trading bearish, and this is still trading in this bearish triangle. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. Also, one must not forget that in 5 weeks, it is just in 5 weeks, it is covered almost 20%. It has increased by 20% from the bottom there, and hence probably now it is near to overbought levels. We need to be cautious here. Now look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts, the last candle specifically, one must observe here a smaller wick, longer tail, and a closer near to the doji here. Now this possibly indicates a reversal. See this? This is an expanding triangle, but at the same time it failed to sustain the higher levels near to 34,000 levels. So only possibility for it to sustain the bullishness is once it trades above 34,000. You can expect that probably 34,200 levels, somewhere here it is going to get the resistance, and from there we will see how it behaves. Possibility of a reversal exists from there. So what I am trying to say is, see what we had seen there, the stronger bullish candle. This candle tried to breach the previous lows and then reverse from there. There is a possibility that it can try to sustain till 34,200, and then possibility of a reversal exists. Now see, on the downside, one must be aware on the downside, till the time it trades above 32,500 levels, we have to stay cautious. Yes, you can enjoy the shorts, but we have to stay cautious. So the larger trading zone between this level appears to be a little bit of indecision zone. So this is one part to it. Now let's also have a look at the 4-hour charts. Now see the 4-hour charts, it has indicated a reversal achieving near to 34,000 levels. See couple of, or rather than that, you can see 3 red candles in a series. Higher lows are seen, but see, yes, it has completed the journey till here, but at the same time higher lows, higher highs. So it is trading in this channel. You have to wait for it to break past 33 500 levels, below 33,500, you can definitely expect that we may see little more bearishness, and then you can expect that it is going to achieve 32,800 levels on the downside, and below that 32,500. Once it breaches 32,500, you can expect more bearishness. At the same time, trading above 34,000, you can stay long and expect that you are looking at 34,200, 34,440 and 34,500. Beyond that, it will fly high. Now let's have a look at the monthly charts. Now can you see this candle and this candle, from where this candle has reversed? Almost it has broken the channel, it has broken the charts, and see, after that it has reversed and closed in red. Hence here also you need to be very cautious. There could be a possible reversal which can happen here. Only bullish confirmation is if it breaks past 35,000. Remember, only bullish confirmation is if it breaks past 35,000 and sustains or closes above that. Till that time, there is always a probability. See, what has happened here is this is just an expanded view of what we had seen couple of months back, and yes, there is a possibility of a reversal from here. If it reverses, it can again come back till towards this, and then the bearish trend may again continue. You have to remain cautious of this. We have seen the charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? On the daily chart, it is trading above the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. Also, the 20 and 100 period moving average have given a crossover indicating bullishness. Also, it is trading near to the top of the Bollinger Bands, which are giving it a stronger push on the downside. Directional movement is bullish. It is divergent here. The stochastic is near to the highs. It is not yet gone into the overbought levels. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is trading in green since long, and it has achieved the highs. Possibility of it to converge and crossover exists. You can find out what happened here on 34,000 levels. It has precisely achieved those levels and reversed again on the downside. You have to be cautious there. The RSI is looking at the highs there, near to overbought levels. Now look at the weekly charts. On the weekly charts too, it is trading about the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. There is a 50 and 100 period moving average crossover is there, and this is slightly a, you can see, bearish crossover which has happened, but I will wait for it to sustain these levels. The 20 period moving average is far below at 31,800, and at the same time the top high of this Bollinger Bands is near to 35,000 levels. We have 34,000, 35,000 levels. We have to stay cautious of these levels zone any which ways. Directional movement divergent and bullish. It is crossing over after months. It is crossed over after months here. The stochastic is again seen the overbought levels. Look at what happened at 34,000 levels. Previously it was overbought. Again can look forward to a downside move. See, whenever it is achieved, when it is a bear market, whenever it is achieved the overbought levels on the weekly charts, it has reversed strongly on the downside. But look at this. See, the MACD is divergent and bullish, and that is what has happened, divergent and bullish, and then reverse on the downside, divergent and bullish. Probably it can reverse on the downside if it continues to trade bearish from here. RSI looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. And if you look at the monthly charts, trading in a comfortable zone now, near to the median of the Bollinger Bands, trading below the 20 months moving average, which is situated at around 34,000 levels, and it is giving it a push on the downside. The directional movement is still bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic, which is near to oversold zone, now looking upwards here. The MACD is bearish and it is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. Probability exists that it can give you a couple or more green candles. This may crossover for a buy position. RSI again looking comfortable there. Now considering this, we have seen the charts and indicators. Let's decide the strategy for next week. And before I give you the strategy, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The last batch for this year, that is going to be the 17th batch, which is going to start on 28th of November. Be a part of it. Only few seats are left. You can be part of this journey and make your new year a profitable one. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me via Telegram or email, both mentioned in the channel description. Only reach to the links which are mentioned in the channel description. Also, you can be part of my signals group, and we are gathering thousands and thousands of points and pips across indices and commodities in our signals channel. If you want to be a part of profitable journey, you can join our signals channel as well. Reach out to me via Telegram or email, only mentioned in the channel description. Now let's have a look where you can buy, where you can sell. See, I will recommend you to buy here at 33,800. If you see it trading above 33,800, you can buy it. But remember, 33,865, 33,900, 25 and then 33,975. Till here it's fine, and then in fact 34,200. So yes, it can climb till there, but at the same time these are going to be good resistance, plus minus. See, this is a larger term. On the daily basis I will give you the exact levels, but 34,200 plus minus levels should be a very strong resistance, and if it sustains above this, you can expect that we are looking forward to 34,500, the next maximum resistance. Yes, 34,300 also is a good resistance, which was the previous high. Achieving those levels, it can probably reverse 34,500, and beyond that, sky is the limit. But I don't see it trading till 35,000. Whatsoever bullishness it carry, it has to drop in between from 34,000 to 35,000 levels. It has to reverse again on the downside. That is my expectation. If it is bearish, it has to certainly reverse from those levels. Now on the downside, so what you should do, you should book profits, you should trade from here, you should book profits at each of these levels, keep trading if you see in the same direction, and keep trading with the trailing stop loss, as we know that it could probably reverse, and hence you have to trade with the trailing stop loss, such that in case of a reversal your trade closes in profits. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 33,666 levels, below that 33,550, 33,500, and then 33,400. See, note down these levels. These till here it's fine. 33,400 is going to be a good support, and then below that we may see it hitting 33,240, 33,110, and then 33k levels. Below 33k, possibly it may hit 32,800 levels, which are going to be good support, and below that 32,700. Till 32,700, I will not consider this as bearish still. It can probably trade sideways in between these levels. Below this, certainly it will call for more bearishness, and then you can expect 32,400, 32,000, and below levels. Anything is possible. If it can climb 20% in 5 weeks, it can shed 10% in 1 week also. Anything is possible. These are markets, and hence you have to trade with caution. You have to trade with the stop loss. You have to trade with the trailing stop loss. Remember, you can trade both ways. Rather than having a bias, just trade with the flow, trade with the positional trade, trade with the intraday trade, and definitely close the profits. Little profits are better than desire or greed for a bigger profit. Just keep closing your targets, and then you can enjoy. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with the stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.